In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your feedback score on eBay. Your feedback score is a quick snapshot of your reputation on the platform, and it's helpful whether you sell regularly or just list items occasionally. I'll walk you through the simplest path to find it, and along the way, I'll explain what you're seeing so it all makes sense. Start on the eBay homepage on a desktop browser. Move your mouse to the top right and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor there for a moment. A drop-down will appear with several options. Hovering is important because it reveals the shortcuts you need without taking you away from the page you're on. From that drop-down, click Selling. This takes you to your Seller Hub, or the main selling overview if your account uses the simpler layout. Either way, you're now in the right place to view your feedback at a glance. On this page, look near the top where your username and basic account details are displayed. Right beside your name, you'll see a number. This is your feedback score. Often, you'll also notice a colored star icon next to it, which corresponds to score ranges, and in many layouts, you'll see a percentage such as 100 positive feedback. The number itself is cumulative and reflects your overall standing on eBay. Positive feedback from unique users adds to your total, negative feedback subtracts from it, and neutral feedback doesn't change the number. Because it's based on unique accounts, multiple transactions with the same person within a short period won't inflate the count beyond one in the long term. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you interpret what you see. If you're brand new to selling, don't worry if the number is low or even zero. That simply means buyers haven't left feedback yet. Scores update after a buyer submits feedback, and it can take a little time for recent activity to be reflected everywhere. The percentage you may see nearby is usually calculated over a recent window, such as the last 12 months, so it focuses on your most current buyer experience. If your page layout looks slightly different, don't be concerned. eBay occasionally updates the design. The feedback number will still sit close to your username in the selling overview area. Remember, you reached it by hovering over My eBay and clicking Selling, so you're already in the correct spot. That's all there is to it. Hover on My eBay, click Selling, and check the number next to your username. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your eBay reputation with confidence.